Hello again, Jonathan here from COHO with a spotlight on probably what is our biggest enhancement to date with the onboarding area. And that is the ability to allow guarantors to now use our e-signing tool. Up until today, if you're going to use a guarantor, you'd have to use a wet signature, which would require you downloading the document, signing it, re-uploading it, the guarantor signing it. So this streamlines the entire tenancy agreement signing process for you. And what I've done is I've set up an example onboarding to show you how this works. When you're going through onboarding, you'll just need to ensure that you're selecting e-signing as an option and then selecting the document being the tenancy document or the guarantor agreement, sorry, that you want to select. Because it's quite difficult to bounce between a tenant's account and a guarantor's account, I'm going to show you what it looks like from a manager's perspective. The tenant experience is relatively similar in that they'll be taken through the onboarding flow and prompted to sign it. Once they have then chosen a guarantor, that guarantor will receive a text message and an email prompting them via a magic link to go in and add their signature as well. So it's an incredibly comprehensive flow, but I'll show you now from an onboarding perspective what it looks like for you. So we'll take Harry Harris here as an example. He is at the tenancy agreement stage. And if we go down here, we can see that as part of signing their agreement, they've also acknowledged all of the relevant compliance documents and they've added their signature on the 17th of January. The guarantor then did the same on the 17th. I now have an option as to how I want to proceed. So we've got the document ready. It's my job now as a manager to sign it. So what we'll do now is we'll click accept because we are happy with where we've got so far. We'll click accept. We then get a verification code via SMS to ensure that it's us. I'm going to wait for that code to come through via text message. Which I'll now enter and I'll confirm. And now I can add in my signature. I need to confirm my password account. And all these steps are there to ensure that there's those increased and enhanced layers of security as well. So by signing it, I'm going to agree to stop marketing the room. I'm going to hit submit. Once I've hit confirmation, I'm going to hit submit. And that then will pull through a fully signed agreement between myself, the tenant, and the tenant's guarantor. We'll then get a notification, as you've seen on text message, saying that the application has now been signed, and we'll be able to view a copy of it within the onboarding section here. So we've got the document, we've got the signed contract here, we've got the example here. What I'll do is I'll show this to you now. This is just a dummy AST that I've used, but one big change we've made is we now assign the signatures to each document. Whereas previously there would just be a receipt for the full package, we now assign a signed page to the back of each document with the tenants, the guarantors, and your landlord's signature as well. So that is a really big change. We're really, really excited about it. It will save you hopefully hours of time. It's a very thorough, very well thought out and very enhanced way of doing this. So do give it a go. As always, if there's any questions, please just reach out to myself and the team here at COHO. We'd be more than happy to help. But for now, that is Guarantor e-signing, and we hope you love it. Take care.